Alright everybody, so today we're going to be cleaning these Nike Hyperdunk Pluses that I found at a St. Vincent de Paul. These are the rare Calypso C peach colored ones, which are actually pretty valuable. But honestly, these are in like really good condition for having been used. It's like they're lightly used. There's no like rips or tears on the insides of these. Mostly they're just a little bit dirty. So we're gonna fix that right up and get the little 25 mark off the bottom, and that's gonna be about it for these. Even the swoosh is looking pretty good still. Yeah, these are really good pair of pre-owned. So I've got a little bowl of warm water with detergent here, and I've got the stain stuff if I need it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need that or not. And I may take a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to this. But first I'm gonna start by taking the laces out. Alright, so I'm gonna start, just kind of examine these. The insides look pretty good. I'll pull the soles out. The soles don't really want to come out, so I'm not gonna worry about that, but that's what it looks like inside of there, kind of cool. There's like a secret compartment inside of there, that's neat. I don't know what that's even for. And then I'm just gonna start by scrubbing these with some detergent. What, I might just like go straight for the magic eraser sheet. Let's test this. Yeah, that's actually working pretty well. Just right out the gate. sure you get the tongue. things. I've forgotten to do this before and then I'll remember later. I have to come back and scrub these again. Alright, I'd say that top part is looking pretty good. Now I just got to work on this. This should come right off. Alright, let's try the laundry detergent on that. Man, it's on there pretty good. Usually these marks from the thrift stores come off really easily. But this one's giving me some trouble. I wonder if it's because it's on this carbon fiber material. There, it's starting to come off. Well, that's pretty close. It's mostly off. Then I'll just kind of run this around on the bottom, just get some of that extra dirt off. These magic erasers are really awesome. Alright, it's looking pretty good. This magic eraser is just destroyed. So we'll call that shoe good. Let's get all this junk off of here. Alright, that one's good to go. Set her aside and do the other one. So here's the difference in cleanliness between the two. You can't really tell much from the top because they were in pretty good condition to start with. So we'll get another dryer sheet. Start on number 2. Man, that is difficult to get off. Those are looking pretty excellent, I would say. Now we just got to rinse the laces off, dry them, then we can put them back on the shoe and they're ready to list. Alright, well thank you for watching. I hope you found this cleaning tutorial cathartic or helpful if you're trying to learn how to clean sneakers and shoes and stuff. We do cleaning videos like this every once in a while, but it isn't our main thing on this channel, so if you're interested in other kinds of reseller stuff, you can go check out more on our channel, NiftyThrifties. We do a lot of bins and thrift hauls, mostly, and some other topic videos, and these cleaning videos every once in a while. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more, and we'll see you later.